Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create form in Typeform. So first go to www.typeform.com and sign in to your account. So I'm gonna sign in with my Google account and then let it load and then click on login. So now over here you can just see a simple template. It is a form, so you can just edit however you like. And when you click on plus icon, you can see different type of form you can create using this website. So I'll just type some words and there you go. So you can do various types of things with this Typeform, and you can just publish this, and there you go, you have created a form in Typeform as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.